Hi everyone, I am Diganta. Welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video and I hope you will like it. And in this video I am going to talk about two products, as you can already guess by the thumbnail. Both the products are from Blossom Culture Aroma Magic brand. And before I bought this product, I used to use commercial shampoos and conditioners, but the thought of using chemical free products on my hair had already been there in the back of my mind, and I came to know about this product and I bought it. So if you want to know whether they worked or not and the actual result, then stay tuned. And I think, oh my god, it's raining outside. I think the video is getting longer, the intro is getting longer, so without further ado, let's get started. So the shampoo is Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Moisture Boost shampoo. As you can see, it has no harsh chemicals, and the best part is it has argan, avocado and many more good ingredients. It is written on the package, you can see. I hope the camera is focusing, I don't know. And it is sulfate and detergent free. So this shampoo is basically for those people who have dry scalp, but I have oily scalp and I did a mistake that I bought the shampoo. But anyway, I don't mind because this product is pretty much good, and at this price I'm getting a product that is sulfate free, detergent free. So I really don't mind if it is not for my hair type, but still, I mean, I can't throw it away. I have to use it. It doesn't create any lather. So you might think that it is not cleaning the scalp, but it is getting its job done, because this has no sulfate, no detergent, so it will not create lather, but it will cleanse your hair, it will cleanse your scalp. So don't worry about the product if it is not creating any lather. And the thing that I didn't like about this product is its packaging. It is not travel friendly actually, because this has a cap like this, it opens here. So this is the only con about this product. Otherwise this product is very good. And one more thing is, the shampoo cleans, as it cleans your hair, your hair will definitely be dry. So never expect that your shampoo will make your hair soft and shiny. Its job is to make your hair clean, so your hair will definitely be dry. So I never use a conditioner. I know many people who don't like to use a conditioner, but I really don't skip it, because if I skip it I feel like something is missing there to my hair. I don't know why. So it's my next product. This is it's cream conditioner. And I the only thing that I want to tell about this product is, I will never think twice to repurchase this product is really very good and I just love it. I never used such conditioners, so I think I love this product. And it has no silicone, it is free from paraben and other harsh chemicals that other conditioners have. And the product you get at this price is really amazing, and it really makes your hair soft. And the best part of this product is it takes a less amount of water to wash out. Like you might have seen that when you use other products like Dove and Sunsilk, the conditioner from them, it takes a lot of water and it takes a lot of time to wash out. But this conditioner is so just amazing. If you have any kind of hair, it is for all skin, I mean all hair type, I guess. Nothing is written in that, nothing is written on the packaging that it is for this hair type or that hair type. But I guess that if you have dry hair, I mean most of the people have dry hair, right? And if you have dry hair, then you definitely should try this. And it is travel friendly because it comes with a cap like this. So this was the review, and I will share the links of this product in the description box. So yeah, that was the review of these two product. I really suggest you to use the conditioner for once, and if you like the shampoo then you can also try it, but the conditioner is best, really best. And yes, that was the video. So if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, then it's okay, I will keep trying I'll keep trying to impress you, and I will definitely come with another video. And one more thing is, I would love it if you take a moment to click into the subscribe button and the bell icon also, so that you never miss an update from me. So I will definitely come with another video. Till then, take care of yourself, be happy, keep smiling, and stay safe. Thank you so much.